early life and education. Born on December 12, 1985, in Gathukeini village, Murang'a County, Ndindi Nyoro's journey from humble beginnings to political prominence is nothing short of inspiring. His early life was defined by resilience and determination as he balanced education with supporting his family. Entrepreneurial spirit in school. Even as a young boy, Ndindi's entrepreneurial spirit shone brightly. While attending Gathukeini Primary School, he sold sweets, worked as a cobbler, and even hawked goods to help pay for his education. His resourcefulness and drive became the foundation of his future success. Academic pursuits and leadership. In 2005, Ndindi joined Kenyatta University, where he pursued a Bachelor of Arts in Economics.
I graduated in 2009. I called my parents, my sisters. One of is actually here, my sister.
It was here that his leadership journey truly began, as he represented his peers in the university senate. Advocating for student welfare and educational reforms, Ndindi laid the groundwork for his future in public service, building a business empire. While still a student, Ndindi ventured into the stock market, founding Stockbridge Securities. This bold move marked the beginning of his entrepreneurial success. He later established AfriSec Telecoms, which provided much-needed internet connectivity, and co-founded Investax Capital, now Kenya's largest stockbroker agency. Political ascendancy. In 2017, Ndindi took his ambitions to the political stage, winning the Kiharu constituency parliamentary seat with a landslide victory. His focus on development projects and his dedication to his constituents earned him recognition as one of Kenya's best-performing MPs. In 2022, he was re-elected with an even larger majority. National influence and recognition. As a trusted ally of President William Ruto, Ndindi's influence has grown on the national stage. As chairman of the Budget and Appropriations Committee, he plays a key role in shaping Kenya's economic policies. His achievements were recognized during the 59th Jamhuri Day celebrations, where he received the Chief of the Burning Spear (CBS) honor. Personal life and legacy. Beyond his professional success, Ndindi is a devoted family man, married to Sophia Wambui. His journey from a small village in Murang'a to becoming a national leader continues to inspire countless Kenyans, proving that determination, resilience, and a commitment to service can truly change lives.
Watoto wa Kiharu wanasoma shule ambazo zinakaa kama hata ni bora kuliko academies. Na sasa tuko na mpango pia ya kuendelea kumalizia kwenye imebaki kidogo kidogo. Na on top of that, mnajua tuna mpango wa kabro ambao tunaweka katika shule zetu hapa Kiharu. Already kama shule 25 kwenda 30 ziko na kabros, na kabro ni landscaping ambayo sio tu kuweka mawe, ni kukarabati shule inakaa vizuri.
Ndindi Nyoro. From street hawker to power broker, a story of grit, growth, and giving back to the community.